This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up card payments for your small business. First, consider why accepting cards is crucial for growth and customer convenience. Next, we will review the different types of payment processors, from traditional merchant accounts to modern aggregators. Finally, we will cover the necessary hardware and software, ensuring you have a clear path to getting started. This guide will help you navigate the options effectively. Selecting the right payment processor is a key step. You will want to compare options like Square, Stripe, or a traditional merchant account, looking closely at their transaction fees, which might be around 6% plus 10 cents per transaction. Also, consider any monthly fees and the quality of their customer support. Always prioritize processors that offer robust security features and comply with PCI DSS standards to protect your business and customers. Once you have chosen a processor, it is time to select your equipment. This could range from a simple mobile card reader, costing around $50, to a full point-of-sale system. Ensure your chosen solution integrates smoothly with your inventory management or accounting software. It is vital that your setup can accept all major credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, and supports contactless payments for customer convenience. Protecting your customers' data is paramount. Always use encrypted connections and ensure your systems are PCI compliant to prevent breaches. Be aware of the various fees involved, such as interchange fees, which are typically 1 to 2% of the transaction, and assessment fees. Understanding these costs helps you manage your budget effectively. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we have for you. This will help you stay informed and prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.